So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your screenshot saving as black boxes. Now, if you see any sensitive content, even like YouTube videos on Netflix, something on your Windows, and you take a screenshot from it, you'll find that you will see all the black screen. Now, in order to fix that, here's a quick alternative for Windows plus Shift plus S that you normally use to take screenshot. Now, instead of this, you need to press Windows plus Shift plus Print screen key on your keyboard. Once you do it, you'll find that another same terminal will open. Now here, once you do it, you'll find that the print command have been executed, and this time all the black box will not capture. Instead, it will capture what exactly things are going on the screen.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.